Your news, your music, your station.
Radio Thailand, FM 88.
Public Relations Department of the Udorn Thai government. This is Radio Thailand News. Today is Sunday, December 2nd, 2018. This is Radio Thailand's Weekly Roundup, where we recap our biggest stories over the past week. I'm Anon Pinkawan. And I'm Biton Squad. Starting with our national headlines for this evening. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs announced that Prime Minister General Prayut Chan-o-cha has made a successful state visit to Germany. Meanwhile, Deputy Prime Minister has assured that Prime Minister General Prayut Chan-o-cha does not need to belong to any political party to enter politics.
Looking at the global scene, Ukrainian President Petro Patreshko accused Russian President Vladimir Putin of wanting to annex the entire country and called for NATO to deploy warships.
On the business agenda, Japan's stockbrokers are optimistic ahead of SoftBank's record-breaking $21 billion initial public offering.
Our feature Thailand in Perspective today is on the list of intangible cultural heritage of humanity.
We will now give you the details on those headlines and many more.
National News. Brought to you by Bangkok Airways, Asia's cheap airline. Now flying direct from Bangkok to Chiang Mai daily. Call 1771.
First up in national news.